How to fix Facebook can't log out on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook can't log out on Android phone. It's easy, just go to settings and then apps again. Now just type here Facebook and go to data usage, and here you need to check your internet connections with Facebook. Just enable this one here, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Maybe you will find this one like that. Just click on it and then go to storage, clear cache, and go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and click storage and then click clear data and click OK, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.